So easy. About 3 seconds until Amy finishes her run. Simon get too. Peeing outside Rob and Tom. I think the way the bot reads the song request is from like left to right. So usually I think artist into song name is better, but I'm not sure. Yeah, she's prodding the German guy. What the hell? This song sucks, Fireball. It was almost catchy, and it wasn't. Had to release, it's all over. This sucks ass. Like, I don't know, whenever I make those opinions, if I was talking to the mapper, I would say, it's a pretty good map. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. It would be great for people who just want a map to play that's chill, full. Wow. I'm surprised I finished without crashing, to be honest. And I've been drinking all night. Go to tech player. Oh no, I'm meant to drift somewhere. Is it a spider magnet? Please don't tell him. Fuck. Oh, this map is trash. I think I'm just gonna keep. What the fuck, Slidebulk? You not in the rat gang? Hmm? Huh? It used to be a command. Now it ain't. Wow, this is such a good map. I'm glad we got engine off full speed instead of ice, actually. Scenery's basic, route's basic. Ain't nothing going on. But even the full, I bet even the full speeders are like, what is this? We didn't want this. No. Minus fucking minus, isn't it? Look, listen, Slylock, just because we're not fucking old you. Oh my god. Fuck it, this guy's such an asshole. Anyone ever met this dude? Is this full speed? We got some full speed? Man's used the fucking lap finish. It says lap 1 out of 1. Love to see it. Is that... You know what I mean? That's good food, Jugsy. You did well at making food. I'm proud of you. Good survival instincts. Surely, you're fucking trolling. I can never trust this ME guy. Bro, Carl Jr. is on Evo now? What the fuck? I don't know shit anymore. Man, I always touch this corner. My back wheel. I turn my music up. Getting like all the rare items in the game and shit. Honestly, Settled's later stuff kind of bores me. So, really, it's just getting precise on the walls, I guess. I don't know, bro. That was tripping. This is the most, like, uninspired map. I'm not hyped for the Ice Cup of the Day. I'm hyped to break the world record of no Ice Cup of the Days. This is now a RuneScape stream chat. Watch Randy, the bug abuse guy. To be honest, I never really watched much RuneScape content. It's really a shit map. It's just not... I don't know, it's not engaging. Bro hit that 2 times. Oh. I'll play with this face the whole time. That'll help. He would probably be agreeing with me there. Oh my god. You had a 47-4? What the hell? Really? I just need a faster start and then I could carry that. Oh my god. Yeah, I watched some of Settle's ulti main shit. Okay. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna get a fast run here somehow. I don't know any sort of tricks to make this go faster. I'm 0.8 from the best player. Fremi's like probably one of the more fun areas in the vanilla RuneScape experience. Wow, you did it before it was cool. That's pretty sweet, man. There is, I don't know what there is, but there's stuff happening. There's always stuff happening in this game. Wouldn't be surprised if you had to release somewhere or some shit to survive. Like, the whole second faster seems wild on this map. Even though maps have come out that he's, yeah. Not even in. Alright, well, I'm Udemy. I guess we'll unmute Kieran. Any money Emmy says some shit that makes me mute her again straight away. That's crazy. Gibby. Just for a bad double respawn. Bro, what is this double? Okay, dude. What? My nose so sore. This isn't full speed? Uh-oh. NASCAR without releases? Okay. I was worried there for a second. It's like, what am I doing wrong? I wouldn't even be surprised if you hit like the fucking SDs and shit on landing or whatever. It's aubergine. My webcam like this forever. I much prefer it. I don't have to worry so much. It's just fucked always. I got gold on this the other night. I'm fucking crazy with it. Yeah, if we don't get a nice cup of the day today, it's the longest time without nice cup, other than the inception of TM 2020. Tileman mode and the 1 HP mode just ain't it for me. It's like so predictable. 1 HP shit is just flick abuse, really slow. And yeah, just not fun. How did you get Psycho CEO from that? I love that song. I mean, it makes sense, but at the same time, lol. So many random song requests are turning out positive today, right? What the fuck is that? What is even that? Why is it on the checkpoint, bro? What a troller. Just so you can have that double respawn. Literally all of that just for a double respawn.
Cold vision.
Pretty much so easy. Yeah. What is bro on? When am I getting messages? I'm gonna be div 11. Div 12 at this rate. My eyes are very dry. Oh. Or if you get that fucking little drift at the start, it's over. You might as well restart. What ranks Tiger Shark these days? Holy. So many maps. Whoa! I'm so much higher than Tiger Shark. So we... Like, it's really boring. A flat line. Well, that's me. I can't improve, so I'm gonna go pee. This map is poo-poo. I'm fucking less than 1 second from world record, and I'm 900. It's engine off, reactor down. Like, what are you cooking, bro? You gotta go by Rocket Buster guy. Oh, I just realized I can make it scarier. Then you can shortcut from the room after that straight to Dad King's. So you can just like telly shortcut, Dad King's. Crazy. Absolutely nuts. About damn time. My Discord general? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, man. Alright, 1 sec. But. Okay. Yep. That's how that went. Oh, I gotta scratch my nose a lot. Ugh. It's so itchy. What the hell? Oh, that felt good. Dot? Emmy got a Fremi only Discord, like a Snowflake Iron Man Discord. Damn. Wait, are you... Was your account Fremi only? Oh no, you got Tebow and shit. I might need the Cold Visions buff. We'll see how this round goes. Prick. Hey, what am I doing? I can't right now. Gotta jump so straight. What is this? Full speed presenting as tech. Oh my god. That's not so itchy, that's the word. Hyperflex rated this map trash. Speed, nothing intense. I feel bad saying it's completely shit, but in the context of Cup of the Day, this is super boring and not that fun. Walking back a lot of statements. I'm not very good. Respawn faster? Question mark. Yeah, but you lose time respawning. $410. Everybody was expecting it the other night, and then we got a bob map, and it was so funny. What, Kuja? No, it's just it's the context. Like for a Cup of the Day, this is just really, really boring. And yeah, even the full. It's a silver circle. What the fuck is wrong with you? My god. Right, guys? Yes. That's pretty cool. I mean, playing a surface I don't usually play, fair enough. Skipping the slide block song next. Nice. Confirmed, if you bonk, double respawning is worth it. Thanks, Aka Double. Alright, time to go out in the first round. That turn gets harder. You get faster. No, what you request? What did you request? Oh, it's the no KO round. Look at me go. You know. And the checkpoints are in the worst places. Oh my god. I like Mr. No Sleep actually, and Sir Pugger. Mr. No Sleep's cool. Yup. It's Wu-Tigu. Ow, my ass. Right, too low. Seven minutes? Let's pagging go.
Working on dying too. Thought I was lying, it's true. I'm stuck in this glue. I'm the one that's sick, but bless you. Do your X'd out, your excuse. No. 3 stars, shock my wrist, SSB, we go like Christmas.
Almost banned him. Surely. Wait, Looney's in here? But he just left. I didn't even realize. Welcome back to Ice, Looney. Nobody asked for this. Where are the SDs? I'm fucking done. There's probably like a couple S40s, and then that's it. Maybe some on the landings? I don't fucking know. But yeah, GG. They're before me. I can't type right now. Oh, it's a different account. I see. Is it ulti? This is really not a interesting map at all. Like, I guess the world record's gonna be fucking nuts with the precision, but ZZZ.